Today, I'll show you how to use Substack Notes so you can quickly share ideas, updates, and media with your audience in a more informal way than a full newsletter post. Substack Notes is like a lightweight social feed that lives alongside your main publication. It's perfect for short thoughts, links, behind-the-scenes updates, or anything that doesn't quite need a long-form email. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening the site all the way to publishing a note with extra elements like images and videos. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. If you already have a Substack account, go ahead and sign in. If not, you'll need to create one since Notes is tied to your publication and profile. Once you're signed in, you should see your Substack dashboard where you normally manage posts and subscribers. From here, look for the option that says Create. This is usually located near the top of the page, and it's the same place you'd go to start a new newsletter post. Click on Create, and instead of choosing a regular post, select Note. This tells Substack that you want to publish a short form update instead of a full email. Once you've clicked Note, you'll see a simple editor appear. This is where you'll type what's on your mind. You can think of this like composing a tweet or a short social post, but it's hosted inside Substack and shown to your subscribers and followers there. Start by typing a clear, concise message. It might be a quick thought, a link you want to share, a question for your readers, or a short announcement. As you type, aim for something that feels conversational and direct. Notes are often more casual than your main newsletter, so it's okay if the tone is relaxed. If you want, you can also tag other Substack writers or reference previous posts, depending on what your audience finds helpful. Next, you can enhance your note by adding extra elements. Substack Notes allows you to attach things like images and videos, and in some cases, you may see options to schedule your note or link it to interactive features such as a prediction market, if that's enabled for your account. To add an image, look for an icon that resembles a picture or a plus sign. Clicking it will usually let you upload a file from your computer or paste in a link. Choose an image that supports your message and is clear when viewed on both desktop and mobile. To add a video, you'll typically paste a link from a supported platform or use the video option in the editor if it's available. Make sure the video you're sharing is relevant and not too long for the context of a quick note. If you see scheduling options, you can decide whether you want your note to go out right away or at a later time when your audience is most active. This can be useful if you're planning a series of updates or want your note to align with a specific event. When you're happy with your text and any extra elements you've added, take a moment to review everything, check for typos, make sure any links work, and confirm that your image or video appears correctly. Finally, click Post. Substack will publish your note to your notes feed and it will become visible to your followers there. That's all it takes to share a note on Substack. Go to substack.com, click Create, choose Note, write what's on your mind, optionally add images, videos, or scheduling, and then post.